Hello, hello. Welcome to your little stretchy stretch. This is a little energizing flow / some passive stretches just to help open up, release any tension, get your body prepared for maybe starting something in the day. But it's always nice to just do a little bit of opening up, especially if you're feeling stiff, either from sitting all day or from whatever you do for work, or even just after you've woken up in the morning. So let's begin. If you think of one word that you would like to feel today or for the rest of your day, we're going to just hold on to that word throughout our session, inhaling and exhaling that word through the body. All right, so inhale, reaching those arms up, and then exhale, reaching over. Inhale, center, exhale, over. Inhale, center, and exhale, slowly folding down. And we're just going to pedal out those feet, scooping through the tummy. And then from here, we are going to keep one hand on the floor, or if you can't reach the floor, somewhere on the leg. And we are going to one leg bent, one leg straight, and reaching the arm up towards the ceiling or the sky. Having rotation is really important for back health. So it's really important that we add some rotation. Reaching and twisting through to the other side. So I'm straightening the leg on the side that I'm reaching towards. Come back through to the middle. If you're doing it with your hand on your leg, it will look like so. Reach and twist. Exhale, reach and twist. Now from here, holding on, interlacing those hands behind the head and just reaching and letting those arms flop, softening the knees and long deep breathing. And then slowly bringing those hands down to the floor, walking the hands out. We are going into our downward dog. So pressing the chest towards the thighs and just walking out those feet, stretching out through the calves and the backs of the legs. One more round. And then coming forwards, dropping the knees down, coming into your upward dog. So you have the option just to stay low and to lengthen like this, or you can come up into your full upward dog. 2 long deep breaths. Oh, I'm losing my glasses here. Now we're going to look over one shoulder. Long deep breath. Looking over the other shoulder. Coming back, sitting in your child's pose, reaching those hands out in front. Slowly coming forwards. Now, this next one is quite interesting. We're going to send one foot out wide to the side, and then we are going to reach and twist the other arm up. Now, if you can't get so much movement, you can always have your hand on your fingers on your temples, and then you just reach the elbow up. You come up onto your fingertips as well, and then we're going to reach that hand towards that leg like we're threading the needle. Now, if you can actually get to your big toe, you want to hold on to that toe, otherwise just reaching that hand long along the floor. Now breathing into your back here, because you're probably going to feel a little bit tight or stiff, or even through that shoulder. One more breath. Coming back through to the middle, and then we're going to swap sides. Reaching the other foot out wide, hand on the temple and twist, or reaching up and twist. And then threading through and under, resting that head down and reaching through. Breathing into the back. One more breath. Coming up onto all fours for a few cat-cows. Inhaling, lengthening the underneath of the body. Exhale, rounding. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale to round. Awesome. Now just straightening those legs back into your downward dog. And then coming back through, we're going into another upward dog. So down and lifting up. You can either keep your knees connected or you can hover those knees up, but make sure that you're growing tall to lift away from the floor. Inhale, looking over one side. Exhale, other side. Now from here, we are going to come into our mermaid. So this is our Z sit position. Remember, you know what feels comfortable for you. So either a Z sit, or instead of bending that leg back, you can have it out in front. You could sit cross-legged, or you could sit both legs straight out, or even up on a chair. Now from here, bringing your hand down, grow tall through the crown of the head, reaching those fingers up and over. And coming back, reaching over to the other side. Inhale. Reach over, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Awesome. Now, swapping sides. Bringing the other foot around. Amazing. Sitting up nice and tall through the crown of the head. Choosing your Z sit or your seated position, reaching your fingers up and over. Inhaling up tall, reaching up and over with the other side, keeping both butt cheeks on the floor. Feeling a nice stretch through the side of the waist. And then swiveling around, coming onto your back and bringing one foot across the knee and hugging the other knee in to stretch out through the hip, the glute, and the back of the leg. One more breath. And then that same foot that was over the top, you're going to hug that knee in and just wiggle it across. So knee out wide, knee across, knee wide, knee across, knee out wide, knee across, and then straightening that leg and bending that leg. Straighten, pull just a little bit to feel that nice stretch at the back of the leg. Straighten and bend. Straighten and bend. Now popping that foot back down, bring the other foot across the knee and hug through. Deep breathing into the floor. Breathing your word in through your body, circulating it through. Maybe it also has a color, or maybe it's just the word. Popping that foot down, hugging the knee in towards the chest as you're straightening the other leg. And then you are going to hug the knee across the opposite side, and then opening on the other side. Across and open. Across and open. Across and open. Last one. Across and open. Awesome. Hugging both knees in and just rocking from side to side. And then we're going to slowly roll up and roll down again. So 3 rolls if you can. Really nice for the spine. And then sitting up tall, reaching those legs maybe mat width apart, hands out wide. We are going to twist and then come down and chop off our baby toe into a saw. And then inhale up tall, exhale to twist, reach and chop off that foot. Or if you can't reach to the toe, you could go to the leg, push against the leg to get a nice rotation. And then inhale tall, exhale to twist, reach, either press against that leg or reach towards the toe. Inhaling up tall, one more on each side. Twist, reach, inhale. Last one, reach and tip. Inhaling up tall, hands back, and just opening up. And then bending those knees, coming back over, And then peeling back up one vertebrae at a time, reaching the arms up and overhead. That is our little stretchy stretch completed. Thanks for joining me. Remember to keep breathing in that word for the rest of your day, and I'll see you in our next workout. Ciao.